You're doing so good, Milo. How old are you? And? Keep going, you're doing good. You can go forever like this. All right, are you ready to go on a trail? Whoop. Let's do one more lap, okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
4.
You ready to ride?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Yep. Starting's the hard part. I'm gonna give you a little push, okay? Just get on. Oh, here. I'll start you with the handlebars. Ready? Good job. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, right on.
Let's go. Oh. It happens. It happens to Daddy all the time.
When I fall down, I start over and get back on.
See? I don't know where this goes. We may have to stop and turn around.
There's a big thing in the way.
Maybe we'll have to stop and turn around, okay? All right. Can you turn around and keep pedaling? Good job. Oh, that's amazing, buddy. You did it. That was a sharp turn as Daddy crashes into the steps. Wish I got that on film. No, I didn't think you'd do it. How you feel, Milo? Is this working good? Yeah, it's working pretty good, huh? You want to bike over to the fountain? Next time we can turn, we'll turn, okay? Not this time, but next time. All right, I'm going to let you go ahead, all right?
I'm going to
You want to go bike around the fountain?
tunnel.
You want to go to the tunnel? Okay, that's not a tunnel, that's glass right there. That's a door. We'll go to the next one. The next one's a tunnel, okay? How long have you been riding this bike, Milo? A long time? Wait, when did we get the bike? We got it today, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever ridden a pedaled bike before?
Sometimes with my mom.
The tricycle though, right?
Yeah.
This is not a tricycle. This is a what?
Bicycle.
A bicycle. This is the first time you've ridden a pedaled bicycle? Okay, we're going to turn right here, okay? Into the tunnel. You want to go in the tunnel? Good job. All right, I think we have to go up a hill. Pedal hard. Pedal hard. Pedal super hard. That's a good stop, buddy. Watch out for the runners, Milo. Oh, crash! I almost crashed into you.